What's going on, guys? It's Justin Carpenter, and today for my ePortfolio screencast assignment, I'm currently a communications major, and I want to become a sports analyst or some type of sports commentator. So, the most common and most popular sports analyst in the world, probably right now, is Stephen A. Smith. He works for ESPN. He hosts his own radio show. He's on First Take with another analyst, and they just debate sports. That's something I'd like to do. So this is his website for his show. Um, this is the setup. Obviously, you have it to where it has the when the show is and the email, how to get in contact with him. And when you scroll down, you can see his social media posts, which I really like, and then a podcast link, and then any other articles that he's written or talked about. If you want to see more about him, this link should take you straight to the bio of Stephen A. Smith, and it shows you everything he's done right here, and then it leads you to another ESPN articles. I'd like if the bio was maybe a little more detailed, other than just what his previous jobs were at ESPN. But yeah, and so I really enjoy the setup. I think it's easy to navigate, and I think it can take you straight to ESPN main website, which has all the sports information. So yeah, pretty good website for the Stephen A. Smith Show.